Welcome. In front of me is a Nokia 3.1 and I'll show you how to reset network settings on this device. And jumping straight to it, we're actually going to go into settings, so pull down the notification bar, like so. And you'll see a little gear icon right here, so just tap on it to access the settings. From here, scroll all the way down into System, like so. And then tap on Advanced to expand the list. And you'll see Reset Options. Tap on it, and from here you have a couple other reset options, but what we're looking for is the Reset Wi-Fi, Mobile, and Bluetooth. So tap on it, and then tap on Reset Settings, and Reset Settings again. And once you have done that, you will actually lose connection to your Wi-Fi because it will forget the password, and you'll have to put it in alongside with all the other Bluetooth and other connections that you had previously connected to. And that's basically how you reset network settings. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thank you for watching.